Hey guys! Welcome back to a brand new Roblox video on the channel. Today I am playing Flee the Facility. I know, it's my first time playing Flee the Facility in so long. I can't even... Oh wait, do I have to do shift? Oh yeah, that's how you crawl. It's not C, it's shift. I'm like crawling. I'm crawling! Hold on, I'm gonna pause the video in my background. Where are you all going? What the heck? There's like no maps that have any votes, so I'm gonna vote. There's like the library. I hate this map. I'm a survivor. Oh, a person left. How did they leave? Alright. I don't have my sound on, so I don't know if the beast is me, so I should probably turn my sound on. Hold on, guys. No, never mind. Hold on. You know, guys, if I don't keep on moving, I'm gonna get caught, so I'm not gonna even bother turning my sound on unless I need to restart the recording, which I'm not going to be doing. That would just take too much time. Oh my god, I found somebody. Finally found somebody. Ah! No! Oh no, she got me. Oh, but she saved me. Great, great, great. I'm not gonna leave her behind. I'll get caught. I'll sacrifice. I was captured. I sacrificed my life for her. Someone's coming. Quickly. I gotta get away. No. Hopefully he'll save her, but I got away quickly. I can't save you. I'm already far away. I gotta find some computers. I'm just gonna rage quit right now and just kill myself. There's no point. There's no point. This round is a flop. Literally everyone's dying. I need to at least save that person. Oh, jeez. This round is a complete flop. This round was complete flop. This is a complete flop. Complete flop. I'm gonna complete flop. Complete flop. Complete flop. This round was complete flop. She literally leaving me. Complete flop. That's what I just said. What is she doing? And I'm frozen. I turned into a Smurf. The beast won. Alright, I'm gonna type in good game. Alright. Can we even get onto the roof? I wonder. Make sure to check out Val's channel as well. I haven't recorded with him. I haven't talked to him on Snapchat in a while. You guys won't know our Snapchats. You guys, I don't really want to let you guys know what our Snapchats are. Oh, I'm hitting. I'm like hiding. Wow. Alright, I wonder what role I'm gonna be. Where's my necklace? I forgot to put it back on. I'm the beast! I'm the freaking beast. I'm literally a freaking beast. Oh my god, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Capture them all. Alright. Alright. Where can I find everybody? Oh jeez, I see somebody. Anybody here? Nah. I suck at the beast. I'm like, if you ever see me doing the beast, expect me to be sucky at it because I do not play the facility that much. I don't really know what I'm doing because in its surfaces, I will just let them win if I'm like really terrible and I'm not really doing that good. Any chances, if I'm not really doing that good as the beast, I'm gonna tell them in the chat. If I'm not really doing as good as being the beast, oh god. Hey, she closed the door in my face. Oh, she saw me. She's running. She saw me. Oh my god. She closed the door in my face! Why do people keep doing that? It gets annoying sometimes because I never really do good as a beast. I saw a person. Oh my gosh! My mic fell! I'm stuck. I'm like doing terrible. I never do good as a beast. And it's also pretty hard when you only see arms. Ah, dang it. You know what? I'm not doing good, so I'm just gonna let them win. I'm literally not doing good at all. I haven't gotten a single person. I'd let them know I'd let them know that they can win because I'm doing good, but that would not just be stupid. Anyone here? No. I know there's people somewhere. Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh heck nah. I didn't say H-E-L-L. I said heck nah. Where are these people? Someone messed up here, but I can't. But they probably left before I could get here. I'm really back in the big room. Like, this is so hard. I'm doing terrible. I don't play Leave the Facility that often, so I'm not really as good. Hello? Okay. Please ignore the background, guys. Ooh, I see somebody messed up. I'm going to go get them. Like, I can't, like, know if the beast is... Oh, they completed that computer. Oh, well, damn it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to say that. I didn't censor that out, but I didn't mean to say that. I'm so sorry, guys. But was it weird hearing me say that? Let me know. It's gracious. No one's done this computer yet, and I found the last computer. That just leads to the big room. I'm gonna close the door. Did I just see a person? No. I can't crawl. Oh geez, they completed everything. Well, this was a complete flop. I'm not even doing good. You know what? After this round's over, I might just end it off here. It's like so bad. Oh no. Oh no, where did she go? I lost her. I'm doing terrible. She escaped. Well, that was a big complete flop. So, yeah. I was doing terrible. I was doing terrible. That's cool. That's cool. That's real cool. Ooh, I sound like a monkey. Also, guys, how was your Christmas? Well, it's not Christmas yet, so I probably shouldn't be asking that. Nah, you almost got us so many times. Nah, you almost got us so many times. Alright, guys, well, I think I'm going to end it off here. I hope you... Wait, one more round, I guess. I'm a survivor. Uh-oh. Pizza Werewolves is the beast. 15-second head start. Nah, I hate this map. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, my goodness gracious. If I see her, I'm gonna clearly slam the door. Unless there's no door there.